Alright, we have the latest update on the tropical situation in the Atlantic. We got 3 systems currently out there right now. Newly formed tropical storm Katia has sustained winds of 45 miles an hour. Movement is east-southeast at 5 miles an hour. Already out in the system has been tropical storm Jose. It's maximum sustained winds of 70 miles an hour, very close to hurricane status. That one is tracking west and isn't looking like imminent landfall or any danger to the United States. And then it's the one we're watching very closely, a highly powerful Hurricane Irma. Maximum sustained winds of 185 miles an hour. It's moving 16 miles an hour west-northwest. I got the latest radar image. It's very close to landfall on the Virgin Islands, so hopefully they're all taking cover there. Making a track past that is Puerto Rico, so we need to keep an eye on both of those. But this would be very catastrophic on the Virgin Islands. Landfalling eyewall is very close, so we need to keep an eye on that. Hopefully they're taking cover and doing all the precautionary measures. And we're looking for the forecast of Irma. It should be hitting Puerto Rico in the next few hours. Got hurricane warnings throughout the region in Dominican Republic and Haiti. Forecasted track northwest. In the next couple days, we got to keep an eye on Cuba, and then eventually to Florida. Looks like it could hit there. Got to be taking measures there as well. Could hit anywhere in this cone of uncertainty, so it could hit East Coast, West Coast, anywhere from here to there. So got to keep a close eye on that, and it's going to be changing as we get closer to that time. We'll have more updates for you and live streaming later on today. Thanks for looking at Evil Media 360.